Arachi today, it arrived. The Uher 4000 reportance. Look at this beauty. It's literally... It's definitely hasn't been used in possibly 20, 70, not 70 years, probably 40 years it hasn't been used. Look at this tape. Oh my word, it's like... Actually, do I really need that? Oh, I don't. Look at this thing, it's like... That tape, may not even be able to play this tape. All metal construction. This is the Uher by Martel. I think these are always missing this label. This one has it. It's in need of a definite oil up and grease up, because yeah, this is how it's supposed to come up. Yeah, it's definitely not good. This is stuck. Oh! Oh! Shit, I forgot about that. You had to push it in to get it to do anything. You can definitely see it's seen better days. It's yeah. Oh. Here's the carry handle. Yeah, that's... Let's open it. These were made in the 1960s by, oh. These were made in the 1960s by, a German company. Made in Germany. Let's flip it over and see what we got. So I believe this is the only screw you got to take out. The unveiling. Well, batteries weren't left in it. Still has this. Damn. Looks good. Oh, look at that. That's using some cloth wire to keep the wires in touch. The Uher 4000 report, it's literally still the way it was. Well, you can tell this is an early one. Look at that circuit board. The original foam, of course, is rotted. Oh yeah, I'd say this hasn't been used in a few odd years. Even has straps. Oh, that's a switch to turn it on, right there. Oh, let's switch to EP mode. Alright, we're in EP mode. Look at that. That's a button to tell it that there's batteries in. Just to open this up. Oh, let's look at this first. So, made in West Germany. Keep dry. Large. It's in German. Leak-proof cells. Use leak-proof cells. Well, I guess they use leak-proof cells. It's gonna need a cleaning for sure. Nobody left the batteries in it, thank God. Alrighty, let's open it up and make sure nobody's done anything to it. Alright. We're ready to open this up and see what we got. This opens nicely. Yeah. Pretty nice. Oh, we'll put that there. Remember where that went. Alright, here we go. Oh, God, baby, look at that shit. Oh, jeez. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's not good there. This went here. Alright, see, that hasn't been used in years. In fact, I don't even think there's a belt on this. That's still a little well lubricated though. Look at that shit. Hey. There's a speaker. Yeah, shit right there. It's a weird odd speaker. Oh. I have a feeling we're gonna need a recap on this. Oh no. Yeah, that's a little bit stuck. Not worried about it right now. Motor turns. That's not turning though. Well, I guess we could put some D-cells in it, and actually, let's get a closer look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. That is, jeez. This is definitely very early. That's a very early board. Uher 8-35. Yeah, that's definitely early. This feels like plastic. Probably is. Oh, it's probably made out of freaking pot metal. Definitely don't want to touch that any more than it has. That'll freaking break into pieces. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's... Well, that looks good. Well, that's good. Rubber in that looks good. Oh, look at that mirror right there. You see this German engineering. It's slightly rusty right there. But, yeah. These boards look good. Alright, let's put some batteries in and see what it does. I'm doubting anything. Considering it's from the early 60s, I would presume. Judging by this. Oh, hello. Look at that. Oh, what the hell? Where'd that go? I dropped something. Shit. Oh, there it is. Keep all screws there. Look at that. What we have? Attention. Assembly and disassembling of this precision motor and all work on it should only be carried out by an expert. Do not re-oil the bearings, do not overheat or bend the solder tags. The guarantee does not hold for damage caused by careless handling or a wrong connection. Okay. Yeah, let's put this back. Might as well. That'll go back. That'll go back there. like this. Oh, we have life. Oh, holy shit. And I'd say, we have dead. Oh, look at that! It's coming to life. I don't think that's the right speed. I don't think the amp is alive. Oh, that still works. The light in there still works. The light in there is still functionable. But we have nothing in the output. Oh, jeez. Yeah, wow, look at that shit. The meter on that is supposed to, show you. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe there's nothing on this tape. Now I have one thing better for you. Yeah, I'd say the amp is completely dead. Oh yeah. Oh, well, that don't sound that ain't good. Oh, it's beating up. This tape probably hasn't been played in, judging by the dust, years. Oh. professional. It's definitely going to need a cleanup. It is very dirty. Let's go to the beginning. Oh, this tape has been played in years, I bet. The reason why the amp isn't activating is because this button is severely in need of oil and a cleanup. But that's some creepy music, I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be definitely archived, don't worry. If I can get this mechanism fixed. Just help it. That's what you gotta do. That's how fast it's supposed to go. Look at that. And find this on my main. Oh god, that is. Oh jeez. Oh. Oh, this is in need of oil. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that's definitely in need of oil. See you until it's done rewinding. Okay, we're ready to thread the machine back up. Tape is rewound, and you can tell it's been like that for years. Okay, let's see if we can figure out where this tape came from. And not seem good. Ah, there we are. It's okay. I'll be very delicate. I can tell this is really old tape. I believe you just toss it in like that. Oh yeah, that was easy. Damn, this thing is easier to thread than any other machine I own. That's a fucking fact. Okay. Up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
I always find these types of tests on these things.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I can do it.
Travis Galt, 1972 December.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
1972 December.
I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, boys,
Meter shot.
sing and we make
Just noticed that too.
Little sing his song.
Yeah, this is battery low. This is supposed to be the battery meter, and it's not moving.
Day.
Oh well.
5, 6, no more. Happy. I don't know what that is. How about we pick Rudolph the Red-Nosed Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
I don't need them anyway.
Hello. Goo-goo-gaga-ga.
Let me rewind. Oh, look at that! Now now that's working. That works better than rewind.
Okay, and the middle P. Q-R-S-T-U. Say gorilla. Gorilla, and then to take the pen. Okay? Daddy. Okay. Daddy. Travis, you might be her. Daddy.
I wonder if they're playing with their father's tape recorder, preparing for a recital, and this is something he would have took to him with him to work or something. I don't know. But this thing hasn't been used since 1972, and reel-to-reel tape was well used in 72. Alright, I'm gonna play my own tape here. This is the audience. 2019, jeez. Yep. Okay. Here we are. I don't play this very much, but this tape recorder can play it, so we're here we are. I'm not gonna bother turning that. Let's give it an easy test. Let's see how easy it is to load. Oh, would you look at that? That was pretty easy. Hold on. You see how well this plays. In need of lubrication productions. Let's hear how this sounds. I do believe it was recorded. Oh shit. I didn't get it loaded correctly. I think it is loaded. Oh no, I think the amp is a tad bit weak, but I don't think I'm going to do anything to the amplifier or any of the electronics. But one problem we do have, rewind don't work. Fast forward works, but not very good. And this will need to be lubricated. This button has some problems. Let's get some cleaning done. From the 1951, I believe. And it hasn't fared too well with the time. I keep this in a special place. Yeah, that's gonna be in need of some repair. Would you look at that? Ain't that weird? It's when you move it. Well, why doesn't this rewind if it winds like this? I don't get it. This thing's quirky, I would say. Oh well. It won't go. Look at that, it goes that fast. Oh, weird. You can somewhat see. This'll tell me oh, that's very strong. You can see how that works. There's your, I think we're on fast forward mode. Yeah. Yeah, that belt's in need of a replace. I bet. Yeah, that belt might. Oh god, oh, that is badly corroded. Man, this thing is a work of art. Oh yeah, you can see some of the. Oh, this probably has like. Already got like 4 transistors. Oh, look at that, you can see the German capacitors. Right there, you can see the German capacitors that are all dusty and shit. Oh, fuck it. Let's, hold on. Okay, well that's rewind. Rewind works perfectly. I'm gonna replace that belt probably though. I still have to look in the this area. And okay. Fast forward isn't doing very well. See? So when you do this, it stalls. Yeah, now it's not working. Makes me wonder. That ain't spinning at all. Hold on. I have an idea. Oh, this needs oil. It is very gummed up and the belt just slipped off. See? And the belt slipped off, so yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. Yeah, this belt I would say is toast. There we are, got that back on the flywheel. Now let's see what it does. Okay. You can see it's not really engaging it very well. But if I give it more force. Look at that. I let go. Has no force. I put it in. Yeah. Gummed up mechanism. That's the only explanation I got. And, dirt. Ow, that hurt. Let's try again. Oh yeah, that is, yep, that's a problem. Now the rewind, let's see. Well, it's kind of working. And the stop. I don't know what that does, but my guess. Oh shit. My guess. Oh, there's a wheel right there. There's a wheel. There's a wheel right there, and that is supposed to, that rubber right there is supposed to press on that reel, which it isn't. Okay, let's do work. So, I got the head cover off. As we can see, this must be the record head, this must be the erase head, this must be the record playback head. This head right here might be the equalizer. Maybe. I don't know. But first step is we're gonna get these buttons all lubricated and shit. Because I know they need lubrication. So without further ado, let's take out these screws. This thing was practically made to be serviced, thankfully, by Germany. Hopefully in here you can access the button for lubrication. But you can! Oh, jeez, yeah. That may have to be taken apart. Very crunchy. There. Oh yeah, that this button won't go back. And they fucking use the fucking screws I hate. actually intact still. Weird. Actually, let's take out. Let's take that out. Just comes off. Easy. Easy disassembly. I still have batteries in it. This is gonna have to be taken apart and oiled. Somehow. Oh God. That head is really dirty. That's gonna have to be really cleaned. Oh God. This thing definitely hasn't been used since the 70s, and it was not very kept well. But here, let me show you. This. This is what we're working with. Look at this. This is yeah. And when you press stop, it literally. Very stiff. I wonder if I can. Yeah, this has seen better days. Look at that head. It's dirty. I would zoom in and do all that fancy stuff, but the zoom button on this camera's broken. This is supposed to come up, but it don't. I'm gonna have to take apart this. I'm not looking forward to this. I hate those clamps. Though I hate to say it, it's got to be done if I want to get this thing to work. There's something else. Press. Phew, I thought I was never going to get this screw out. Finally got it out. By just tapping it. Now let's... I guess that penetrating oil really did help. Oh yeah, that did. That really got in there. And that's some good stuff then. Let's take that out. And... oh yeah, that's crusty too. Oh wow. Jeez, ew. Oh hello. I forgot there was 2 belts in this thing. Jeez. Look at that shit. Oh god. I read about these German capacitors that these do love to go bad, and they don't go bad in a great fashion either, so I might replace all this. Also there's a belt, and yeah, that's... oh, it's a double pull motor. So this is what creates your speed. There's your brush, which... yeah, that belt, that's got to be replaced. I got to do that. Oh god. More of these switches. And there's a... I believe this is your motor control board. These capacitors must be still good because the motor's still going the right speeds. Oh yeah. They have the original belt. I think that will be replaced. This belt needs to be replaced. They're not tight anymore, which is why it's not getting good fast forward tension. But jeez, look at this fucking thing. I have never seen anything like it before. Well, this ain't USA made. This is made in Germany, so... there you go. Are these even values I have? 0.1 UF at 160 volt. I doubt that. 100 UF. Dicut capacitor. Oh. Yeah, these are. Look at the resistors. They look kind of like ours. This, I have a feeling, is bad. This looks like an oil-filled crapola. 0.068 UF. I wonder if I have that. 6080. I think I actually have that. It's not 0.0, but I don't think it really matters, does it? 0.68 UF. I don't know, but oh god, these are in need of oil. Why, might as well, while we're here, just give them a little bit of oil in there. There's one drop. Two drop. Oh yeah. There we are. That's much better. So let that oil soak in. Oh yeah, that's much better. That's perfect. And this is a flywheel I'm gonna have to get into. Literally, I thought I was never gonna get that clamp off because of that screw. Barely holding on, but it was tight. I had to bang it with this to get it loose. But jeez, look at this thing. It's like clockwork. I don't know how I'm gonna get this meter out to fix it. I honestly don't see screws in it, and I'm not sure if it's even fixable. See, it's like stuck. It's gonna be a fun task. Also, I noticed this. I don't know what this is. It's in the tape recorder. Must be. It doesn't go to anything. Okay. I don't know what that is. Probably something the kids put in here. I don't know. Yeah, this is all machined. This is all your machine speeds. Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe this should. There's a... That's the off position. Here is... Look at that, that's pretty neat. Oh yeah. And it... Oh god. If this has a rubber coating... Oh, okay. The rubber coating is still good. Or whatever's under it. See? It rides against this flywheel. It's like rim drive, except it's got a belt on it. I hear squeaking in my camera. That's not good. See? There's the lowest speed is right there. Yeah. Oh, neat. You can see the this is early switching. Yeah, these tell it what mode it's in. But yeah, I'm gonna be replacing the belts in it. They're I hear squeaking in my camera. That's not good.